nag-usap kami ni Josh, sabi niya, sabi ko na bahala mag-hype ng crowd. Gabi, hindi nila kailangan! Hype na talaga sila! Oh, diba? So Josh, how does it feel na nandito na tayo, your very first fan meeting dito sa Pilipinas?
Wow, sa Pilipinas no? Nauna pa kasi ibang bansa bago dito. Honestly, syempre, this is one of the happiest moments in my life right now. Talaga, alam niyo naman, before, who would have thought, diba? Who would have thought na Josh Cullen would go, diba, hindi man solo apart from SB19, but would build his own career as himself, diba? So I'm thankful ako sa lahat na naniniwala sa akin from the very beginning. I wouldn't be here if it weren't for you guys. So, thank you. Kasi yun yung pinaghuhugutan ko ng lakas ng loob every time na gagawa ako ng kanta.
Oh, I'm sure, touch na doon. I know, it took some time para mangyari to. But the important thing is, nandito tayong lahat, di ba guys? And sabi nga ni Josh, di niya inakala na, he would, make a solo debut, apart from, of course, SB19, May Wild Tonight, which I was also very excited for. Di ba guys? Love din natin yung Wild Tonight. Oh, diba? So, kamusta naman for you? Sabi mo nga, hindi mo inakala, Josh, na ganun ka, ganun ka grabe yung reception ng mga fans for Wild Tonight. So, how does it feel? Ganun yung love na binibigyan sa'yo.
Pretty overwhelmed. So, totoo lang, with Wild Tonight, binuhos ko talaga lahat. Binuhos ko lahat ng ideas, dugo, pawis, including, syempre, I love you too, guys. Talagang pinuhos ko lahat with Wild Tonight. And akala ko, magiging medyo cringy siya. Alam mo yun, kasi napakahirap i-pull off yung vampire theme. Tapos nasa Pilipinas ka, may vampira ba dito? Parang wala akong nakitang vampira dito. Exactly, diba? Kaya nga sabi ko, kung walang vampira sa Pilipinas, and then I'm gonna be our first one.
Yeah! Handa-handa na mag-away si ate, Sabi niya, tama! Feel talaga niya. But, of course, aside from Wild Tonight, may bago ka ring release, which is called Pakiusap Lang! And syempre, mixed feelings, yung na-feel namin. Syempre, kinilig, nasaktan, nalito, ay, dito masakit! Paano yung sakta natin? Sobrang sakit daw. Pero can you tell us about yung bago mong single, which is Pakiusap Lang?
Pakiusap Lang is a song I wrote, honestly, because of my experiences then as well. Siyempre, feeling ko naman, halos lahat tayo naranasan magmahal, di ba? Sino ba hindi? Sino hindi? Talaga? Just niya.
Mahal niyo si Josh, di ba?
Mahal niya ako? Di ba naranasan niyo? So, di ba? It is honestly unashamed. I made it parang medyo double or triple entendre kind of song. Alam mo yun, yung pwede mong gamitin sa iba't ibang situation. Yes. One of it, it's a song about